Join Maze on the Move. We are in St. Kitts and we decided to explore Reggae Beach at Cockleshell Bay. It was absolutely gorgeous. And we also got to see some of the local people there hanging out, and that was fun. This is such a relaxed, fun vibe. Please check it out if you go to St. Kitts. If you are enjoying our videos, please hit that subscribe button.
Hello, it's Amy with Maze on the Move. We are on the Norwegian Getaway, and today is day 7. We decided to come to Cockleshell Bay, which is also Reggae Bay. They're kind of right next to each other, I guess is how it's working. It was about a 30-minute taxi ride over here. After we got off at port, there was a taxi dispatch there, and we went ahead and took that. After walking through, we did walk on through past there, and they had taxi drivers kind of barricaded off from the walking area where the tourists are, and they're all yelling at you to take their taxi, but they wouldn't tell you how much it cost. I don't know, it just felt kind of sketchy. So we decided to go back and take the taxi dispatch. We paid $10 a piece to get over here. We'll pay $10 a piece to get back. When we got off, the guy told us if we decided what time we wanted to pick up, he'd make sure he was here to get us. So we just didn't have to go with anybody. Everybody on the bus that we rode over on decided on 3. So he gave us these bracelets. It has his number on it, and he will be here at 3 to pick us all up. So that was really nice. Then when we got here, there was plenty of chairs and umbrellas available, and we got here kind of late because we were slow getting ready this morning. We got here around 11, and it is Sunday, and we were able to get 2 chairs and an umbrella for $20, which is the cheapest price we've seen so far. I'm going to show you the water. You can see through it. It's more of an aqua rather than turquoise like we've been seeing, but it's very pretty. Some little fishies swimming in there. There are some rocks in there, and just people are having a great time. It's absolutely beautiful. There was some rain before we got off the ship, but it feels gorgeous now. And the beach goes way down there. It seemed like down that way there was local people having picnics and hanging out, which is nice to see on the weekend. We have our own personal guy that's taking care of us named Ken at our seat. So we're looking forward to our day here. There is also a ferry here, right here. It goes over to Nevis Island. So there's been multiple, I should say, boats going in and out, taking people to the island. Our taxi driver did say be careful with that today because it's Sunday. They don't run as much as they do during the week. Also, as we were coming here, there's a peninsula point where the Atlantic is on one side and the Caribbean is on the other. And the Atlantic was quite rough. It was neat to see the difference so close together. Do a little walk over here to the other side and see what it's like for a minute. Luxine Beach Bar.
I can wait till later and move down there. Yeah. Second pier, probably.
Definitely a bigger beach area on this side. Pieces of shells on these beaches. Since we got started at all our stops, haven't seen a single shell on the beach. And the little girls next to us, they found a conch shell.
This is a menu for the local restaurant right there on the beach that you can enjoy.
Our guy came as promised. This is a funny comedian. Okay, tell me your name again.
It's Kenny Mock, or Comedian Kenny online.
Okay, thanks.
Yay.
I was talking about you on one of my videos, but I couldn't remember your last name.
Same assigned seats, guys.
Oh, sorry.
That was a nice beach, though, right? It was nice.
It was great. Okay, so they drop us off where we have to walk through the shops. That happened yesterday too. So when you get off the ship, they tell you to pack your ID. This is the only place we have needed it, so double check, make sure you have your driver's license or passport with you so you can get back in. We are sailing away from St. Kitts. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. Tomorrow we will be in Puerto Rico. Looks like some storms out there.